Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Cartier love ring, and I am so excited. Oh my god, it looked like really crazy and like really red. I don't know why, but basically I'm just going to be sharing you guys my story of like why I got it. There's not really much to the story, but when I was watching a ton of these videos before I got mine, a lot of them were like sharing their stories or whatever, and I thought it was kind of cute. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna unbox it, review it, show it to you, and I'm also gonna be giving you guys some sizing tips because that's so important. I will like explain why that's so important later, but like it's literally so important. So if you guys are interested in seeing me unbox my new Cartier love ring, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So I just want to apologize. I don't know why in my videos recently I haven't been wearing like I haven't been wearing any makeup at all. And well, I do know why. It's because I've been so busy with going back to college, and nowadays I only wear makeup usually like when I'm going to classes, and I have classes Tuesday, Thursday. So like I don't film on the days that I go to class because I have a full schedule. So then when I do film, I'm like either going to Panera or Starbucks to study or running errands, and I just don't have any makeup on. So that's when I have time to film. So I'm just like makeupless and like, ugh, I just look a mess. So ignore that. So sorry about that. I will try and get better. So I'm basically gonna like share the story of why I got it and how I got it and all that fun stuff. So if you guys are new, hi, I'm Tori. I live in North Carolina, and there's no Cartier boutique near me, literally at all. I just decided to order it online, and it was a lot of anxiety, not gonna lie, because I didn't know my size, and it's kind of hard to return. You have to call them and schedule like a return because it is a very expensive piece, you know, going back and forth in the mail. It's kind of, it's a lot. So it was gonna be a big hassle to ship it back and then them refund me and like send me a new one in my new size or whatever. So I was really stressing about it, and I was like watching a lot of YouTube videos on it and was able to kind of determine my size that way, and I'll talk about that later. But anyway, so the reason why I got this is because I've been wearing the replica love rings for about 2-ish years now, and no shame, they were replica. Do what you gotta do. Your girl couldn't afford it back then, and so I just did what I had to do. I thought they were really pretty rings, but I couldn't afford them. Or I could, but I didn't want to dish out the cash on those rings because they're really expensive. So I didn't get them. I've been wanting them for 2 years, like I said, and I worked my butt off in August on YouTube, and I have 2 other jobs. If you guys didn't know, I'm a full-time college student, so it's just, I do a lot, and I really like overworked myself, but like I was really successful, I want to say, like in August, this past month, in September. So I decided it was time to treat myself because I literally worked my butt off, and I've been wanting this forever, and it's been on my wish list. Just a little disclaimer, my parents had nothing to do with this. They did not pitch in at all. This was all bought by myself. It's something that I wanted to do for myself. Nobody helped me out with it, and yeah, I guess I should say like I'm not trying to brag because I'm not, but you guys know that by now. I don't like to brag about the things that I have. Anyways, yeah, so that's kind of why I got it. There's no really story. I just feel like you need to treat yourself. And if you save up and you have enough money and you have a good month of working really hard, and you just can't stop thinking about a certain item and it's literally driving you crazy because you can't stop thinking about it, then you just need to get it. Enough said, right? That's my story. So I guess I'm gonna like go ahead and start like unboxing it for you guys. I'm gonna get into the fun stuff. So I did order it online, like I said, and it came in this box, and it was like, I swear to you guys, like it literally looked like an animal was inside of it. It had like these, let me see if I have a picture because I might could insert it. I don't know if I can insert it because my address is kind of on it. So I'm just gonna show you like a little snippet of what it looked like. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it literally had like that like plastic like cord thingy around it. It was like intense, and I was like, what in the world? So I got it shipped to my parents' house because I did not want it shipped to my apartment because I didn't know if I was gonna be home, and my parents are like always home, so I knew they could sign for it or whatever. Anyway, so sorry about that. This is what it looks like when you open the box when you get it online. Now when you get it in store, it doesn't come in the box. You just get the cute little bag, which mine did indeed come with. I'm not really sure how this was set up. It came with a lot of like little tissue like paper things, like the packing paper. Like a lot of it was like overflowing and I didn't want that all over my apartment. So I just left it at my parents' house, but you get the gist. So that's what the box looks like. It's really pretty. So then it came with this envelope of papers and stuff. Now I know like sometimes they'll give you like a little travel pouch or even like a cleaning kit, but since I got it online, obviously I didn't have like a certain sales associate like help me, so I couldn't be like, yo, like throw in the travel pouch and throw in the cleaning kit. So it didn't come with that, which I'm fine with. If I ever decide to go to the Cartier store in the future, like on a trip or whatever, I can always get one there. It's not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it. But it came with my little like receipt. I obviously can't show you, but it just shows my order number and that I got the love ring in yellow gold. I guess I should tell you, yeah, I got the love ring. I did not get the wedding band. The wedding band is the thinner one and then the love ring is the thicker one. There's a big price difference between the two. The love ring is about $700 more, not even including tax. So the love wedding band is cheaper. It's about $1,050. So I just decided to go big or go home and treat my freaking self because I wanted the bigger one. So yeah, so I decided to go with the $1,700 one. And I'm not telling you guys the price to brag. Obviously, I just want to help you guys out. And then it came with my return and exchange form. Don't need that. And my billable stamp so I could return it. But yeah, so basically I already unboxed this because I went to my parents' house to pick it up and was gonna wait and film it here, but this is, I'm gonna tell you why. I had a lot of trouble like with the sizing. I was afraid it wasn't gonna fit and I was almost like bound and determined I was gonna need to return it before I even saw it in the mail. I just was like freaking myself out over it. I was like, oh my gosh, like it's not gonna fit, like I'm gonna have to return it. So I just thought I'd open it up there at my parents' house so that way I could get the whole exchange thing going if I need to exchange it. So that's why I already unboxed it. So I'm so sorry, but otherwise I would have totally like waited for you guys. So it came with this little magazine with like polishing service, resizing service. Oh, that's cool. I'd rather have it a little loose and a little tight because you never know if you're gonna like gain weight, and if you lose weight or if your finger gets smaller, then you can always get it resized. So that's my little tidbit. But it comes with that, and then it comes with this little cute little envelope that says love on it. And I don't know if I've looked at this. What is this? Oh yeah, I can't show you, but this is a little certificate. And it just says that it's 18 karat gold, it's authentic, it's got the date of purchase, it's got the stamp. It is like legit here. Like it is, that's legit. So I think that's all the paperwork, honestly. I believe so. Yeah, okay. Now, here's a little bag. It came in the box, which I think is so cool that they throw in this bag, even if you don't purchase it in store. And then inside the bag, of course, is your ring box. And then inside the ring box is another ring box. So this is like the outer part. But this came packaged in this packaging right here. It looked like that on both sides. But guys, I was like freaking out because I was so nervous because it's just like a whole experience when you order these designer items. It's just, you're paying for the experience and of course the gold jewelry. But that's what it looked like, kind of. You guys kind of get the idea. It's got the wax seal, like it's a hot wax seal. It's really cool. But I had to mess it up because like I was taking forever to like get it undone, and I was just like, screw it, like I just need to see if it even fits. I was freaking out. So that's what it looks like. It's really cool. I don't know, I'll probably throw that away. Okay, so here is the box like I said, and then you lift it up and then you take it out, and then here is the ring box, the iconic Cartier ring box. I'm so excited. I have not worn it just because I wanted to wait for this video, and I literally got it today. But so this is what the box looks like. You press this little button on the side and you lift it up, and voila, here is the ring. I'm gonna see if it's gonna focus. Don't focus on me. Cool. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So it comes like on this little hook lever thingy. It's like lifted. It's kind of cool. And then it comes with the tag, and you can't take the tag off. What? You can take the tag off, but if you take the tag off, you can't return it. So I just thought I would cut the tag off on camera. So here we go. Ta-da. All right, so here is the ring. I got it in yellow gold. Like I said, it's gorgeous. I didn't want the rose gold because I wear a lot of gold jewelry. I didn't want the white gold because I wear a lot of gold jewelry. I just like the yellow gold the best. I just wear a lot of gold jewelry. So I decided to get the yellow gold. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. So I got a size 55 for those of you who are wondering. Sizing is so weird. So my ring finger on my left hand is a size 5 in Pandora, 5.5 in Tiffany & Co. So that's my ring finger. And then on this one, I probably am like a half size bigger than my left hand ring finger. Just depends. My middle finger is like at least a size, maybe a size and a half bigger than my ring fingers. I don't know. It's really weird. Yes, I wanted to wear it on my middle finger. I did not want to wear it on my ring finger because I know when I get married someday, I'm gonna have to take it off. So wanted to wear it on my middle finger because I don't know. I just really like the look of the Cartier ring on the middle finger. I see all these people wearing it on their middle finger. It's just kind of like, I don't know. I wouldn't say everybody does it, but a lot of people do wear it on their middle finger. And so yeah, I could totally wear it on my ring finger on the right hand. But like I said, I just like the look of the middle finger better. It fits my right hand, middle finger, and my left hand. I got it to fit my right hand though, because my right hand's a little bit bigger than my left hand. But that way I could wear it on both hands, because I know when I get married, if I have it on my left hand, it fits right now. It like fits fine. But when I get married, I'm gonna have a ring right here, so I don't want them too like close together. So I just thought I'd wear it on my right hand. So I got it for my right hand. So this is what it looks like. I got the perfect size. Like I shouldn't have gone down, shouldn't have gone any higher. It fits perfectly, like comes right off. It's gorgeous. She's pretty. So like I said, I did, ooh, focus. Like I said, I did get the yellow gold love ring. So it's the thicker one and I'm so obsessed with it. And one day, maybe soon, I'm going to, maybe not, I don't know. I'm going to get the love wedding band and stack it. So I'll have two on my middle finger. So I just think it is so gorgeous, so simple. And I just think, oh my gosh, it's so, so pretty. And this actually does fit my ring finger as well. It's just a little bit big, honestly, but it does fit my ring finger. It fits my thumb too, so I could wear it as like a thumb ring, but I like the middle finger the best. That's why I got it. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it fits my pointer finger too. It's kind of odd. I know everybody's fingers are different. That's so weird. It literally fits like all my fingers. But I want to wear it on my middle finger on my right hand. So that's what I got it for. Now I'm gonna give you guys some sizing tips because it was extremely hard trying to figure out my size, just because like I said, I don't have a Cartier boutique near me. So that was a struggle because I knew I was gonna have to buy it online and I was just having a lot of anxiety over it. I measured my finger with string the first time and then put it up next to a ruler and it said 6 1/4 for my middle finger, 6 1/4. So on the Cartier website, they do have exactly 6 1/4. They don't do like 6, 6.5, they do 6 1/4, 6 3/4, 7, 7 1/4, 7 3/4, so on, so forth, whatever. So I was like, oh, perfect, I'm a 6 1/4, but I'm dumb and didn't realize that you don't need to go exactly your size, you need to go like a little bit above, if that makes sense. Yeah, so then I did that and I was like, okay, I'm a 53, because that's what it is. It's 53 is a 6 1/4, and I was like, okay, I'm getting that, 53, 53. So then it comes time to order it. I had like saved up my money and I had just had a peace about getting it. I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to go for it and get it. And I was like, whoa, like before I order it, I need to like really make sure this is my size. So then I printed off on Cartier's website. They have a ring sizing guide. Just literally go on Google, type in Cartier size guide, and it'll pop up a PDF and you download that, print it, and make sure your printer is set to 8.5 by 11, and that's the full length. And then what you do is you take a ring and you place it over the little ring sizes that they provide for you, like the template, and you're not supposed to see any white, but you also don't want to see the red like around it because then you know it's too big. So you just want to make sure like it fits perfectly in that like little hole. And so I was like in between a size 54 and 55. The 54 was like almost a little too small and the 55 was almost a little too big, but I was like, you know what, I need to go for the bigger, because my suggestion is to go bigger than smaller, because I don't know, like I said, you can always get it resized or whatever, and it's just always better to give yourself a little bit more wiggle room. So I don't know, I don't think I could have done a 54, you guys. Like, it's pretty, it's not tight at all, but it's perfect. So I don't think I could have gone down. It would have just been a little bit too tight, but and now it fits like a lot of my fingers. So if I wanted to go down to a 54, it probably would have fit this middle finger maybe a little bit better, but I knew I wanted to wear it on the right, so it's just the perfect size for this hand. So I definitely recommend you finding a ring that fits on the finger that you want and matching it up to the template. They have like a whole instruction guide, like I said, and they'll like walk you through it or whatever, so definitely take advantage of that. But if you do have a Cartier near you, please go in and get size, because that is just the best way to do it. But like I said, I just didn't have the availability to, so I just took a shot in the dark, ran with it, and I got so lucky. So thank you, God. I was like praying. I was so nervous. So it fits. I don't have to return it, and it's beautiful, and I'm so thankful. And yeah, I just also want to say thank you to you guys, because, you know, like without you guys, I wouldn't really have a job. Even though I really don't consider YouTube a job at all. I did this for 1.5 years without making any money at all. So I have other jobs to support my financial needs, if that makes sense. So the money from YouTube is just an added bonus that helps me buy things that I want to buy. So thank you guys for supporting me. I love you forever. So I just think that it's important as a influencer, I hate that word, as an influencer, to thank my subscribers and my supporters. I don't know, but yeah, so I'm really thankful and really blessed, and this is something that I've been wanting for years, probably longer than 2 years, but I just got the replica 2 years ago. And honestly, I'm not dissing the replicas. If you guys like the style of this, I can't promote that, but you do what you gotta do, is all I gotta say about that one. Totally won't judge you if you wear the fake ones. Like I said, I did that for a while, so nothing against that at all, because this is a pretty penny, but I just decided that it was a good investment to make, so I went and did it. So guys, that is it for my Cartier Love Ring unboxing. I'm like shook still, like I am not deserving. I'm just so grateful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are new. Click the notification bell so you get notified. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Let me know your thoughts on this jewelry piece down below, if you have one, if it's on your wish list, what color you like, if you liked the video, just let me know. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. I always do. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. It's on the screen. It's listed and linked in the description box below. I'll also try and link the Cartier sizing guide PDF in the description box, so you guys can go by that. But I totally recommend you to use that if you're interested. Let me know if you have any questions, because I know like when I watched these videos before I bought this, I was really aggravated when people wouldn't say their size. So I'm a size 55 on my middle finger, so if you need like sizing help, I'd be more than willing to help you guys out, because I know how frustrating it is, because I would reach out to so many influencers and they would not respond, and I was just like, please help a girl out. So I'll be more than happy to help you guys out if you need sizing help. And yeah, so I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.